Today's meal is simple spaghetti in a quick cherry tomato sauce. But more importantly, today is about how I made dinner happen on a busy day without starting from scratch. This is Seasoned Life Kitchen, where we cook with intention, not pressure, and where simple decisions make room for life happening around food. Today was full and busy, so before I even got home, I made one decision that shaped the entire evening. I bought chicken already cut into pieces from a local grocery store. Because tonight, my energy mattered more than proving a point. Whilst the chicken air fries, I prepped the simple ingredients for the sauce. Just tomatoes, onions, and garlic. This is where the pace slows. My little one joins me to prep the vegetables, green peas. I let her help with chopping the green beans. Not rushed and not perfect. This isn't about efficiency. This is about teaching life skills in the quiet spaces. How to hold the knife, how to turn it, and how to cut. Food doesn't have to be stressful. These moments matter just as much as the meal itself. These vegetables are slightly sautéed in some butter, some oil, and a pinch of seasoning, just enough to keep their color and crunch. When done, I set this aside in a bowl and proceed on to the next meal, which is going to be cooking the spaghetti. Just toss the spaghetti in boiling water and salt and allow cook. Reusing the same pan used to saute the vegetables, I add some butter, some cooking oil, then the simple mix of vegetables, really the garlic and the onions. Allow that to saute and caramelize for a little bit. Toss in the fresh tomatoes and stir. This is fresh, fast sauce. No long simmering, no extra steps. The tomatoes soften and burst and create its own sauce. A pinch of salt, some pepper, and seasoning is all you need. This is food that meets you where you are, really, as a busy mom, a busy career woman, juggling life. When the spaghetti is cooked, I toss it in directly into the sauce. No extra drama, no extra bowls, and I stir. And dinner comes together in less than an hour. As I stir and get dinner ready, I think of how busy my day went today and how stressful it was for me. If you're a busy mom or simply a career woman juggling life, this is the part I really want to pause on. Today's win wasn't the sauce or the seasoning, it was the decision I made earlier. Buying pre-cut chicken meant I didn't start dinner already tired. I came home, seasoned, cooked, and still had patience to be present, to talk, to teach, and to breathe. As busy moms, we don't need to prove anything in the kitchen. We need dinners that support our lives and not drain it. This plate isn't about shortcuts. It's about choosing ease on purpose, so there's still something left for ourselves at the end of the day. And here's something else I always think about. What does tomorrow need? This spaghetti packs beautifully for lunch the next day. The chicken stays juicy because I had used the yogurt in the marination process. The vegetables hold up because I made them crunchy. One dinner, 2 meals. That's value, not just money, but time and mental space. Seasoned simplicity isn't about doing less. It's about doing what matters. Buying pre-cut chicken, cooking fast without guilt, teaching our kids quietly, one meal at a time. This kitchen isn't about perfection. It's about presence. If this kind of cooking brings a little bit of calm to your week, stay here. Like the video, subscribe, and share with someone who needs permission to keep things simple tonight.